back to do week 3 of the Christmas in July collab, hosted by me. And we have Sunshine and Chaos, Cooking and Budgeting, Budgets and Chaos, Michelle Plans Daily, Budgets with Elma, Mama's Budgets and More, Sophie Budget AU, Autumn Budgets, the Enchanted Owl's Nest, Cash Stuffing with Onyx, Grammy's Journey, Gaming Grandma Budgets, and Twin Mama Budgets. And I'm doing it different this week. I have 13 ones, and I'm giving each challenge $1. So, first up is Christmas in July's Cute Turtle. Roll and save. I'm just gonna put in $1 for hers, and somewhere I have my envelope that Sunshine made me. Yeah, my bank envelope. That's where I'm keeping the money. So, yeah, so I'm adding $1 in for Twin Mama Budgets. And then next up is Michelle Plans Daily. So she's getting $1. I'm just going to set the ones aside, and then I'll add it all in at the end. And then this one's Cash Stuffing with Onyx. And these are all, if you guys haven't gotten them, I think they're all in their coffee shops. So $1. And this one's Sunshine. I'm gonna scratch it, but I'm just adding $1. We'll do this one. It was a 3, but I'm just adding 1. So $1. And then this one's mine. And the 4 minutes is getting $1. So $1. And then this one is Christmas in July from Gaming Grandma Budgets. I'm just crossing off. And $1. Because I can't afford more than $1 each. So that's why I'm doing it this way. And then this is Grammy's Journey. And I'm just gonna mark and put in $1. And then next up is Mama's Budgets and More. And getting $1. And then next up is from Budgets with Elma. And $1. And then this one's from the Enchanted Owl's Nest. And I'll just mark when it, yeah. So $1. And then next is Sophie Budget AU. So $1. And I hope you guys are enjoying the collab. This was my first, big one. This one's Autumn Budgets, and this is in a coffee shop. So $1 for week 3. And one more. And then last up is Christmas on the Beach from Budgets and Chaos. I like how she put her name there. And I'm just gonna do $1. And so yeah, so that's what I'm adding this week, and it's the only way I can play everybody's challenge. So I'm just gonna add all this into my bank envelope that Midge at Sunshine, Chaos, and Cooking made me. And that's where I have the money. And so there's my money. And then I've been trying to keep up with the watch hours. I made it through. I've been slacking kind of here, but I'm trying to run everybody's playlist. If you don't have a playlist, please add one, because I came across one channel and there wasn't any playlist, and like I'm running the playlist on my tablet in my bedroom, so I don't have my tablet with me all the time, so I can't like stop. Like if a video goes to a different channel, I can't go back and stop it because I'm busy during the day. We've been working on Etsy and stuff, so please, if you don't have a playlist, if you could put one together so we could run it. And I've been running a lot of them though, and I've been trying to make community posts. I've been slacking this week, but I think last week I did one every day to show my support. But I am watching, so I hope it's helping you guys, and I hope everybody will come support these channels, because they all need watch hours, and likes and subscribes and comments would be nice. But that's all I have for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.